Only 14% battery, boys. We'll see. We're gonna see if that's enough time. We're gonna have to drive extra quick, man. We're going to the bank. Gotta deposit some change. Then we're going to some coffee, man. Some coffee, if you will. My first POV drive with the mid pipe installed. Single mid pipe installed on this bad boy. We do have the down pipes coming soon. Pretty much every single person on that video was like, dude, you gotta do down pipes, you gotta do down pipes. Which means, Ray, please. That we also have to do a tune. So this thing is gonna be running some real crazy shit. Make sure traction's on so we do not go silly with it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, sorry, man. This thing will be pushing like 700 to the wheels very soon, which is pretty stupid if we're gonna be honest. This thing's already like 5 and kind of ridiculous to drive, so it can only get more ridiculous. Sounds infinitely better, even from the inside with like, I haven't disabled all the pumped-in sound and stuff. People said you can do that, but honestly, I don't mind it all that much, you know? You can barely tell, especially now. Just gotta make a U-E real quick. My moolah's flying. Honestly, under like 2,000, it doesn't sound that much different. But once you really step on it, like after 3, like right here, and then you get all the burbles and backfire, it's way better sounding, 100%. Man, I can only imagine what the downpipes are gonna do. I've only actually heard one person with downpipes before in person, and it was just a random person on the highway. Like, there's so much traffic and his shit was so loud. I knew from that moment, I was like, all right, people are right. I do need downpipes on a punk bitch. It's a little louder on startup too, but not that much. It's like 5 decibels louder, but I think with the downpipes, it might just be silly sounding. So I'm excited to see that, man. I'm excited to see that, especially because my Corvette's actually pretty loud, which is hype. Corvette actually might be louder than my C63 was, so we're pumped. We're excited. It actually sounds good like under tunnels and underpasses and everything too, which is so fucking awesome. And it actually, you can actually like hear it coming from around a corner too. Like, I'll have people that are already looking at the car before, you know what I mean? Like, I step on it. It's a little bit of a head turner. The car is already with the colors and such, but then you can hear it coming from a little bit down the street now too, thankfully, which is great. Pretty open road right here. Hopefully we can love driving in Mexico, you know what I mean? No speed limits or whatever they do. Hey man, we're just having a good time out here. Right here, hopefully we can make her rip a little bit. nice gray. I think they call this Brooklyn gray. It's pretty much Nardo. Every single car manufacturer is trying to do a Nardo gray now. But it's nice. A little electric BMR. Not bad. Like the purple zone right there between 2 and 3.
Help me.
Oh, it was a Toyota. Pretty much the same thing. Look at this license plate. Assen. Nice little G-Wagon. Whoa, they got a custom plate too. What did it say? Mab's Wagon. Shout out to Mab, I guess. Cool. Got the goodies. Got the smoothie. Didn't have time to put this shit on my head. Hey, there we go. Hey, does anyone else not like putting it in sport when you're like going already? I kind of don't like doing that shit, man. I'm like, I like doing it at a stop, 0 miles per hour. I know you're supposed to, like, you're supposed to be able to beat on the cars and like do whatever, but like, I don't know, man. I feel like this shit's gonna explode if I'm putting it into sport and it's like 30 miles an hour already. Sometimes people do that shit on the highway. That's crazy, bro. Absolutely insane. Oh, a little underpass. Let's hope we can get a good rip in. Yeah, that was a good one. Let's go! I sound good under underpasses again, boys. I can't believe it. It's a dream come true, really. Look at this thing, the Illuminator. Everyone's got a custom plate here in California, man. I think I need one. I think he just put in his shit into park, which is crazy. That's so weird.
Why'd you do that?
Who knows, man. 4x4 though. I want a track hawk one day, man. I think I'm gonna snag one next year or two. Who knows? No, it's not necessarily like an upgrade from this car, but it does seem a little bit more fun, a little more practical too. Look at all the room in that bitch. It's nice, real nice. As soon as the Jeep ate that shit, I knew it was gonna be trouble for me. Oh, these roads are just not meant for a little old coilover M3, man. Look at this G-Wagon. Oh, it's like a mocha color. Wow, it's nice. No one likes this land. I'll take it. You only got a couple of % left, so I'll do my outro now. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Real chill video, more POVs coming soon, especially with the downpipes, especially with the C8 POV. We got a lot of vids coming, man. I am pumped. I hope you are too. I fucking love you. my seatbelt, man. What the fuck am I thinking? Oh, come on, man. Beamer's trying to kill me. Chasing my homies JZX today through the streets of Mexico. Let's get it. Oh, shit. I don't know if he knows he still has his hazards on. Let me put this bitch in sport real quick. What am I thinking? Nice. Look at that thing, bro. Look at the way it rides. That shit's sick. Come on, brother. Lamborghini? That was a weird ass wrap, bro. Stinger? Not the GT, but the Stingers go hard, bro. They're kind of expensive, though. I think they're like 50 grand. I don't know about spending that much on a Kia. But fuck it.